Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to upload fonts into Canva. Now to do this, you have to be subscribed to Canva Pro. If you have a free account, this option will not be available to you. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your web browser and search for thefont.com. This is how it looks. It is a website that allows you to download free fonts. However, read the terms and conditions for the font. Just ensure that you are using the font for the right intended purposes, as some fonts can only be used for personal use and not commercial use, whereas some fonts can also be used for both personal and commercial use. And as you can see, the font actually categorize the fonts. So if there's a particular font, a particular feel that you're going for, you can browse under either of these categories. Now, for tutorial purposes, I am just going to download one of the fonts recommended by the font. So I'm going to download this font called Cherylina. So to download your fonts, always look to the left of your screen. The download buttons are always located on the right, to the right of your screen, and the fonts on the left. So I want to download Cherylina. So I'm just going to select download, and the font should automatically start downloading. However, it does download the font in a zipped folder, so you would have to extract the folder from the zip file. And once that is done, you just open it and, as I mentioned before, extract the font. So I'm just going to extract this, and I'm just going to go into Canva, and on your left you should see brand. And as I mentioned earlier, if you have the free version of Canva, you will not have the option to upload fonts into Canva unless you are subscribed. So you should see upload font, select upload a font, and go to the folder that you just extracted, which is Cherylina, and always select the ones with this white leaf and an A on it. And sometimes, based on the type of fonts, you might see a list of them in different styles. So you might see Cherylina Italic, Cherylina Bold, and you can select all or just the one that you want. But because Cherylina is a scripted font, it doesn't offer the options of Italic, Bold, and stuff like that. So I'm just going to select Cherylina in its regular state, and I'm going to select open, and this should be prompted to your screen by Canva. I am saying, please confirm the following. By uploading my own custom font, I acknowledge that I own Cherylina.otf or have the right to use it for my intended purposes. And you're going to select yes, upload away. And this usually uploads very quickly, but it's moving a bit slow because I am screen recording and I have 4 tabs open and I'm uploading a font into Canva. So once the font has been uploaded, you should see it right here on the uploaded fonts. So I'm just going to scroll up to a design, and I'm just going to select Instagram for the purpose of this tutorial. And I'm going to select T on my keyboard for a text box, and I'm going to type tutorial. And I'm going to select the text and go to the text box on my left and select it and scroll down until you see this little option that says uploaded fonts. Now the fonts are always listed in alphabetical order, so it's pretty easy for you to find them. So the font that I just uploaded was Cherylina, and this is it right here. So I'm just going to select it, and just like that, you can easily upload your fonts into Canva. However, if you are using the free account, don't worry, Canva actually provides a lot of free fonts that are really cool. So don't worry about that. So this is it for today's tutorial, guys. If you have any specific videos that you want me to do a tutorial on, whether it's Canva related or YouTube intros. I actually uploaded a YouTube intro the other day, about a few months ago, and it has been doing well. You guys really reacted and engaged with that video. So if you're interested in how to create YouTube intros in Canva, comment down below and let me know. Or any other videos you would like to see me do, just comment that down below and I will do a video on that. So until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.